I'm here at the Institution of Civil Engineers. Obviously, it's a big year. We're celebrating 200 years of civil engineering, which I think we should all reflect on what civil engineers have become and what we've created is staggering when you look at it. Almost anything we use, we walk on, we benefit from, probably came from civil engineering input. When you look at the way the world is and you look at the way the world is going, the need for more creativity, for more infrastructure that works for us has never been greater. And I'm really pleased to be here to be celebrating that, to reflect on the past, but also to be really excited about the future and the things that we're going to be able to do as time moves on. Well, we talk about the invisible superheroes, and I think that's right. I think for far too long, even civil engineers themselves haven't really understood the impact and the benefit that we can have. So anything that we can do to highlight that, to encourage more people to think about civil engineering as a career. I think we hear engineering and people start thinking in a certain way. If we talk about creativity, if we talk about social benefit, if we talk about a whole bunch of fun in being creative, in doing things for people, which is really what we do, then I think we'd be better understood, and I think the industry would be better understood. And I think, and I hope, through what we're doing here, we're going to see an awful lot more people having a think about whether this is something for them. I think when you talk about Tideway and the project being one of the big 200 projects, I get that. I'm massively thrilled, obviously, with that. But if you look at, there is a sense of history. This is not the first time London or indeed many cities have had to deal with sanitation and sewage, and it's all part of life. But the sense again that what we're doing, yes, is for a here and now, but it's such a lasting legacy. We know on the project that what we're doing is going to benefit people that we don't know, that haven't been born, that aren't going to be born for another 100 years, and that sense of doing something special is huge. We're proud of what we're doing. We're really proud to be one of ICE's top 200 projects. We think it's right, and we want to have a huge amount of fun doing that, and hopefully inspiring people in the process. Had there been a super surfer, I would probably have picked them. I come from Cornwall, and living by the sea was always really important to me. I think it's fascinating, actually, that when I was a child, the sewage pollution in my beach at home was bad. And I remember at the time thinking, this can't be right. I'm swimming in sewage. So at the end of my career, or near the end of my career, to find myself doing another sewage cleanup job, which people did for me so I could enjoy my beach, I find massively fascinating. So I'd go for Super Surfer.